Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam. And today I'm going to do a quick video on Aero. So if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks. Before I start today's video, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Just my views and opinions and sharing what I'm doing in the crypto space. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to do an update on my new favorite coin right now in the market, Aerodrome. And right now it's 121 on total market cap. This thing has been just kicking butt since it's been launched onto the market. You see total market cap right now, 692 million. Fully diluted is 1.6 billion. Probably about, a little over, like 42% of its total supply of 991 million in circulation with 410 million. All-time high. We had it just not too long ago. It was $2.31. So, of course, it's going to correct, but the whole market's been correcting, as we all know. If you don't look at it, it won't bother you too much. And if you have some extra cash laying around, all this red would be a really good time to buy. I know I've been buying up some different coins at bargain prices. So anyway, you can see today it's up 6.5%. Look at the trading range though for the 24-hour, $1.53 to $1.77. So one thing I did want to show you I liked was look at the total locked value, 712 million. It's higher than their current market evaluation. 1.5 billion in monthly trading, 26 million in monthly fees generated, and 194,000 monthly users. So that was pretty cool looking at that. So then the final thing I'm going to go into is just the charts. So as you see, this is not Aerodrome. I have Total 3 up, and the Total 3 chart is just all the altcoins. It removes Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I want to get a truer look at the altcoin market besides Ethereum and Bitcoin. So granted, the stable coins I'm pretty sure are still lumped in with this. So that can bring this a little bit further down. I just wanted to show you this before I get into the Aero chart and some prices and things I've been doing with it. But you can see right here, so there's June of 2020, the month after the halving that was in May of 2020. So from that point, it was roughly $72 billion market cap for the altcoins. So from there to its all-time high, look at this number, folks. Pretty cool. Right? Almost 1,500%, 1,465% gain. And that was over 518 days. So we'll go ahead and 518 days, we'll divide that by 30. And that's about 17 months. So 17 months after the halving, altcoins peaked. This was the last bull market. 17 months later at, 1,465, almost 1,500%. So now and just so you know, so if we go back to the halving before that, right? So, which was, they don't even have it because the halving before that was like in August of 2016. That was, altcoins were just starting to come out. So if we look here, and this granted is a much shorter time frame, right? So we'll just say almost a year after the halving, altcoins really made their big debut on scene here in the cryptocurrency market. And they went all the way up to over 2,500%. The first halving, and they did that back then in like 6 months. But now we have, altcoins have been around a little longer. So in 17 months, we did like almost 1,500%. So 2,500, 1,500. What do you think we're going to do here? I mean, if we just kind of did gain about the same difference between the two. So we went from 2,500 to 1,500. So that would be, that would be like a 40% drop. So if we do 1,500, so this one say goes to 900%. We'll just call it 1,000% gain this bull market, right? So that would put it, right now we're roughly at 628 billion. So that would put us at, if we did a 10x, $6.3 billion. 6.3 trillion. So I think that's very possible. I keep saying we're going to be 10, 12, 15 trillion dollar market cap, maybe higher total with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So looking at that, now I'm going to go to the Aero chart. Sorry, it took me a little while to get there, but I really think Aero has more than a 10x growth in it. So let me go. It's a new coin. It came charging onto the scene. It's almost to the top 100. I think this coin could be a top 20, top 25 coin at some point. So that would definitely 600 million, 6 billion. So yeah, I think this could be a 15, $20 billion coin at some day. It may not be the peak of this bull market. It might be the next one, but I think this huge growth, this bull market, I really think, it's Aero right now is at $1.70. I really think this is going to be like, a $30 to $40 coin anyway, maybe more, maybe a $50 coin. So we'll have to wait and see. But right now at the charts, we'll look at the daily chart right now. The 20-day moving average has been acting as support. So that's a good sign. So when I saw the market crashing, I was like, I wanted to pick up more Aero, and it started going down. So I went ahead and staggered some buy orders. I started buying at, once I saw it up around here and it started going down, I saw it like $1.80. I started staggering orders. I did 173, 161, and then I picked up some at $1.55. So I thought it might go a little lower, maybe down to this, $1.44, 45 level. I actually have an order set there, a buy order for $1.45. I'm just going to leave it and see what happens. If it doesn't fill, that's all right. But I've been buying all this little downtrend, trying to increase my holdings because I really believe that Aero is going to take off. So anyway, right now, short term, it's hard to predict. The market is just crazy nuts. I don't think we're going to see it go below. The halving is like in 10 hours. I think it's like at 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. So it's going to officially be like the 19th of April. So who knows what's going to happen, but I think there's going to be so much volatility in the market. It's going to get crazy. It's going to be nuts. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.